So here's my initial setup. ZX Spectrum plus 2A upgraded to a plus 2E, which is what it says on the screen there. And it's showing up as a one ID, the CF card. So let's go into basic, plus 3 basic. And then let's have a little look. What do we type in? We type in load, C drive, so there we go. Here's the C drive. We can see what's on the C drive by typing in cat, and then we've got these images that are on. So I have no idea what ACE is, but we're going to have a little look. So what we type in next is Spectrum, and then the file name ace.z80, because it's a Z80 snapshot, and we should see it load very quickly. Press enter to continue from 86. Oh, let's start the game, whatever it might be. ACE, Air Combat Simulator, or something like that. Let's do a ground attack, whatever that is. And then that's, oh, well, that was quick. You crashed. But it loads the game in mighty quick.